MakeBrand LogoMaker AI is a newly released software that promises to revolutionize the way you create logos. If you're wondering whether it lives up to the hype, stick around because we're diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know about MakeBrand LogoMaker AI. First off, what makes this software stand out? Unlike traditional logo design tools that rely heavily on manual input, MakeBrand LogoMaker AI uses powerful algorithms to generate professional-grade logos based on just a few keywords. It's designed for business owners, marketers, and anyone looking to create a standout brand identity in minutes. And the best part, you can try it completely free through the link below. The interface is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to have any design skills to use it effectively. All you need to do is input your business name, a short description of your brand, and select a few design preferences. The AI does the rest, giving you a range of options to choose from. And if you're not happy with the first set of designs, you can adjust the preferences and try again until it's perfect. Now, when it comes to customization, MakeBrand LogoMaker AI does not disappoint. Once the AI generates a few logo options, you have full control over colors, fonts, and layouts. This is important because even though AI can create designs quickly, the ability to tweak them ensures that your logo matches your brand's personality. Whether you need a modern minimalist design or something more elaborate, it's all possible within the platform. Another important feature of MakeBrand LogoMaker AI is its scalability. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a growing business, this software can handle all your branding needs. You can easily export your logo in various formats, suitable for print, social media, websites, and more. No matter what platform you're using, MakeBrand LogoMaker has you covered. You may be wondering how accurate and high quality these AI-generated logos are. From my experience, the quality is top-notch. The software's AI engine is trained on a massive dataset of logos, so it understands what works and what doesn't. The result? Logos that look professional, well-balanced and high quality, all at a fraction of the cost of hiring a designer. Another crucial thing to note is the speed. What usually takes hours or days with a designer can be done in minutes with MakeBrand LogoMaker AI. This is a game changer for anyone in a time crunch or just looking to streamline their branding process. Plus, the software can be used on any device, so you can design logos on the go. Lastly, while this tool is free to try, it's not the only AI-powered software out there. I've tested thousands of similar tools, and I have a list of the best options in the description below that you can try for free as well. So, what's the verdict on MakeBrand LogoMaker AI? If you're looking for a fast, efficient, and affordable way to create a logo, this tool is a no-brainer. It's easy to use, delivers high-quality results, and is perfect for small businesses, marketers, and even large companies that need quick design solutions. Remember, the link below will give you access to a free trial of MakeBrand LogoMaker AI, so check it out and see if it's the right fit for you. And don't forget to explore other AI tools I've recommended in the description. After trying thousands of AI software, these are the ones I truly stand behind.